What it do, YouTube, man? Come back for another vlog, man. As you can see, it's snowing like crazy, man. What we about to do? We about to shovel people's garages for some, some quick bucks. So yeah, man, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now. I gotta bright and early for this. I knew this is gonna be a money opportunity. Hey, man, I'm trying to get that bag, man. I can't even talk. Fuck. I see ya. I'm trying to drink coffee and shit. Look at this shit. This shit is amazing, ain't it? Christmas time is coming. Yo, man, what's good, Flo? So, we on our way to my bro house, and then we gonna shovel other places. Catch y'all on the other side. Shit. Tell me, what do you see on the ground right now? If your answer is snow, you are incorrect. The answer is not snow. What you see on the ground is a money opportunity. So you must take that money opportunity and you must use that money opportunity to get what you want. Sign up today. That's gonna be my commercial. Yeah, man, I'm finally here. Finna go crazy. Snow is everywhere. All right. We out here, man. Just did that house right there. We out here, man. Woo. Shoveling, baby.